How to Trade Stocks, a beginner's guide to starting your journey towards financial success. Introduction. Embarking on a journey into the world of stock trading can be both exciting and rewarding. However, for beginners, navigating the complexities of the stock market may seem daunting. Fear not. In this comprehensive guide, we'll take you through the essential steps of how to trade stocks, equipping you with the foundational knowledge needed to make informed decisions and begin your journey towards financial success. Understanding the basics of stock trading. What is stock trading? Stock trading involves buying and selling shares or ownership in companies listed on a stock exchange. As a stock trader, you participate in the ebb and flow of the market, aiming to profit from the price movements of these shares. Key concepts: stocks, shares, and exchanges. Before you start trading, it's crucial to understand the basic terminology. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and shares are units of ownership that can be bought and sold. These transactions take place on stock exchanges, such as the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, or the Nasdaq. Setting up your trading account. To begin trading stocks, you'll need to open a trading account with a brokerage firm. Research different brokerage options, considering factors like fees, available resources, and user-friendly platforms. Once you've chosen a brokerage, follow their process to create your account. Navigating the stock market. Market orders versus limit orders. When placing a trade, you have two primary order types: market orders and limit orders. A market order buys or sells a stock at the current market price, while a limit order specifies the price at which you're willing to buy or sell. Understanding price movement. Stock prices are influenced by a variety of factors, including company performance, economic indicators, and market sentiment. Learning to read stock charts and analyze historical data can help you identify trends and potential entry or exit points. Risk management and diversification. Risk is inherent in stock trading, but prudent risk management can help mitigate potential losses. Diversifying your portfolio by investing in a range of stocks across different sectors can help spread risk and increase your chances of long-term success. Developing a trading strategy. Define your goals and risk tolerance. Before you start trading, clearly define your financial goals and assess your risk tolerance. Are you aiming for short-term gains or long-term growth? Understanding your objectives will guide your trading strategy. Technical and fundamental analysis. Stock traders often use technical and fundamental analysis to inform their decisions. Technical analysis involves studying stock charts and patterns, while fundamental analysis delves into a company's financial health, management, and industry trends. Practice and continuous learning. Like any skill, trading requires practice and continuous learning. Consider starting with a paper trading account to practice without using real money. Stay updated on market news, economic developments, and trading strategies to refine your approach. FAQs about trading stocks. Question: do I need a large amount of capital to start trading stocks? No, you can start with a relatively small amount of capital. Many brokerages offer low minimum deposit requirements. Question: how much time do I need to dedicate to trading? The amount of time you dedicate to trading depends on your goals and strategy. Some traders actively monitor the market throughout the day, while others focus on longer-term trends. Question: can I trade stocks from my mobile device? Yes, most brokerages offer mobile apps that allow you to trade stocks on the go. Question: what fees are associated with stock trading? The fees associated with stock trading vary depending on the brokerage and the type of trade. Fees vary depending on the brokerage. Common fees include commissions per trade and potentially account maintenance fees. Is stock trading risky? Yes, stock trading carries inherent risks. It's important to educate yourself and practice responsible risk management. Can I trade stocks as a source of passive income? While some individuals generate passive income through trading, it's essential to approach trading with a clear strategy and realistic expectations. Congratulations! You've taken the first steps towards understanding how to trade stocks. By grasping the basics of stock trading, you've equipped yourself with the foundational knowledge needed to navigate the dynamic world of finance. Remember, trading stocks is both an art and a science, and success comes with practice, education, and a well-defined strategy. Whether you're a newcomer to the stock market or someone looking to enhance your financial acumen, this guide serves as your compass to embark on a journey towards financial success.